Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. A tutorial on how to make Indonesian dishes easily. In today's video, we will explore 3 essential base seasoning for Indonesian cuisine. Each blend is a crucial element in Indonesian cooking. With this recipe, you can make Indonesian dishes very easily. We usually store this seasoning in the fridge for daily use. You can save a lot of time when cooking with this. So, let's get started. First of all, we start with red base seasoning. This seasoning is commonly used in iconic Indonesian dishes such as Rendang, Sate, Balado, and Gulai. In a food processor or blender, add 50 grams of sliced red chili, 50 grams of sliced curly red chili, 50 grams of red onion, 50 grams of garlic, 25 grams of sliced galangal, 25 grams of sliced lemongrass, 4 grams of shrimp paste. This is optional. You can skip if you don't like shrimp paste, and 200 milliliters of cooking oil. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Put the blended spice paste to the pan. Add 3 bay leaves, 6 kaffir lime leaves, 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, Stir-fry the mixture for about 20 minutes over low heat until it becomes fragrant and the color deepens. Turn off the heat and allow the red base seasoning to cool completely. Then, we will make yellow base seasoning. This seasoning is commonly used in iconic Indonesian dishes such as soto, Indonesian steamed fish, and various curries, such as chicken curry. In a food processor or blender, add 100 grams of red onion, 50 grams of garlic, 25 grams of sliced galangal, 25 grams of sliced ginger, 25 grams of sliced lemongrass, 25 grams of candle nut, 15 grams of sliced turmeric, and 200 milliliters of cooking oil. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Put the blended spice paste to the pan. Stir-fry the mixture for about 5 minutes. Add 3 bay leaves and 5 kaffir lime leaves. Stir-fry the mixture for next 15 minutes over low heat until it becomes fragrant and the color deepens. Turn off the heat and allow the yellow base seasoning to cool completely before transferring it to glass container. Then, we will make white base seasoning. This seasoning is commonly used in iconic Indonesian dishes such as Indonesian chicken soup, fried noodle, fried rice, and using as vital component in many Indonesian soups and broths. In a food processor or blender, add 100 grams of garlic, 100 grams of red onion, half onion, 35 grams of candle nut, and 200 milliliters of cooking oil. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Heat the olive oil in a pan over low heat. Once the oil is hot, add the blended spice paste to the pan. Stir-fry the mixture for about 10 minutes 15 minutes until it becomes fragrant and the flavors meld together. Turn off the heat and allow the white base seasoning to cool completely. Store all out-base seasoning into a glass container. It can be stored in the fridge for up to 1 month. And there you have it, our homemade Indonesian-based seasoning. The vibrant flavors and aroma of this spice blend will add depth and complexity to your culinary creation. On the next video, I will show you how easy to cook Indonesia cuisine with this base seasoning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you on my next video, and bye.